Hey, how's it going today? I'm Carrasco with Next Gen Lighting Solutions. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about a manufacturer we picked up earlier this year called LIGEO. They're a manufacturer out of Germany. They've been around since 2013. And basically what they have is one basic form factor. The idea behind it is it's super flexible. You can make all kinds of cool configurations, but they've got basically a static light, a tunable white light, and then a color changing light. And the idea behind it is they have these hubs. The hubs are what actually get the power from the power feed. So this is our power cable. These hubs just kind of plug into here. There's a contact right in here that they plug into. And so you use this one. You just plug it in here, and then each of these little fixtures have the same contact on them, and you plug them into the same hub, and then they light up. Now you have rotation here, and you've got rotation here. So you can configure it really any way that you want. They can come 3D off the wall. The diameter here, the minimum diameter is about 45 degrees. And then you can open it up to 180. So each hub can have up to 8 fixtures. They come in increments of 1 foot. Of the light bar is 1 foot. Of course, there is some extra on each side, so that the 1 foot is like 15.5 inches. But they go in 1 foot increments all the way to 9 feet. And of course, you have to account for the light bar, or the hub connector part. But again, you mount them on the wall. They can come away from the wall. They can do all kinds of things. So they're super cool. They're all 80 plus CRI. They all have 80 lumens plus per fixture, per foot, excuse me. They also have color changing, which of course is DMX. You can do this color changing with other just static or whatever, but the color changing, this is not a LIGEO, this is just a generic control that we picked up to do the demo purposes, but it's DMX. And of course you can tune it, differently. You can have it be as dynamic as you need it to be. They come in standard colors. We've got gold, we've got black, we've got silver, we've got white, but of course they can do RL color matching. So if you want some other bizarre color. The only difference really between the color changing and the other ones is this has the driver kind of attached to the back. So it's not going to sit flush to the wall, it sticks out a little bit further. The profile on this is about 3/4 of an inch this way, and about that much wide. So it's really low profile, super easy to adjust and to install. They're all 60,000 hours plus. They're warranty for 5 years. They are, unfortunately, they're all going to be dry location listed only. But that's basically, you can surface mount them, you can suspend them, you can pendant mount them. It just offers the ultimate flexibility. So that's about it in a nutshell. Of course, all this information is available on LIGEO's website, which is ligeo.us. That's ligeo.us. And if you have any other questions, of course, you can feel free to email me or anybody else at NextGen. And as always, please follow us on all our social media pages. And if you would like to look at any of our other lighting manufacturers, please